Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my car. So today's video is going to be a beginner friendly makeup kit starter, drugstore edition, aka Dollar General edition. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys along with me and I'm going to show you everything that you would need to pretty much create a kit if you're starting off with makeup and you just have a tight budget and you really want to keep it under around $7 per item. Not per item, under $7. Some items are $7, but all the other ones are way under 7. I'm talking about $1, $2, $3. The reason why I didn't go to Dollar Tree is because they don't have a large selection of like primers, foundations, concealers. They have just scattered makeup. So Dollar General is where it's going to be the best. If you guys want to see a Walmart version or a Target version, definitely let me know and I can film that for you guys. But I'm going to go back to the house and put my shoes on and then we can head out and go look at some makeup at Dollar General. If you like this type of content, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And with that said, grab your cafecito and take some notes and let's go to Dollar General.
Alright, so we are going to start on this section right here. So I like to start off with face. First things first, they do have here the Maybelline Baby Skin, which retails for $6.50. I'm not sure how much you get it at Walmart, but if you don't have oily skin, I do recommend this because it does do a pretty good job at kind of erasing the pores. This is one of those primers that kind of first hit the market and I just made the break for all the other brands, and honestly this is not one of the best, but if you are on a tight budget then I do recommend this one because it does have, like I said, that pore blurring effect, and for the price you just can't go wrong. So a good product if you're not oily. If you're oily, I would probably stay away from that. Now if you want to save a little bit more money, they do also have the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. Again, this is going to be perfect for anybody that is more on the oily side. As you can see, they do have a limited range of shades, but for $4.35 the price is great. I believe I am in between natural and soft beige. I mix both of these and I get a beautiful long wearing matte finish. Now if you want to go even more affordable, they do have the Other Colors liquid makeup. I personally haven't tried this one. I can't recommend it. I don't know how good it is, but if you just have a really tight budget and you really want something to really just cover up the bare minimum, then I would either go with something like this that is going to be light to buildable coverage, or you can just go with a concealer. LA Colors has an amazing selection as far as concealers. For $2.15 you can also pick up a corrector. Orange will correct any darkness, green is for redness, and yellow will brighten anything up. So they have the shades fair up until beige fair up until deep, and as you can see you can almost find pretty much any color that you want. I haven't tried this concealer in a long time, so I am guessing that this is going to be anywhere from light to medium coverage. So if you get a powder foundation or a liquid foundation like this, you can definitely get something like this to give you more coverage, and you'd still be looking at about $4 and some change for a concealer and a foundation, which is a great price if you ask me. Moving on to powders, LA Colors also has some really amazing powders. I actually have the shade Natural and I do like it. I don't use it as often. It does have that like grandma scent, so if you don't like that you might want to skip out on this, but this is such a good powder to just set your skin all over. They have the shade Natural, but they also have some down here. These are more pressed powders and these are loose powders. These are going to be great to really set and bake your concealer. This will prolong the wear of your foundation or concealer. And as you can see, these are only $2.15. The pressed powders also give you a long wearing wear. But these are just going to be for more extra coverage, and these are also $2.15. LA Colors offers this contour palette. As you can see, it offers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 shades for $6.50. Not only are you getting bronzers and setting powders, but you're also getting a little bit of a highlighter. There's a highlighter here at the top, and then there's a little bit of a bronzer here, but you can definitely use these to set the skin if you are deeper complexion. Again, just a very beginner friendly kit to grab or to give to anybody that is just starting off. They don't need anything fancy, they just need to know the basics of setting, contouring, and highlighting. This is another great palette for $6.50. This one is the Glow palette. So as you can see, this one will actually offer you highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. So you have two options to choose from. I think both of these are great. You're getting about 4 highlighters and 4 blushes, and honestly, the blushes look amazing. So not bad at all. I totally forgot to show this, but brows are super important. So LA Colors has here this brow kit for $3.25. It also comes with tweezers and a brush. This is going to be perfect for anybody that is just starting out to fill in their eyebrows. It gives you 3 different shades, so almost anybody can use this. It also has tweezers, so it's perfect for just keeping the brows nice and clean. And this brush is honestly not the best, but it's definitely very beginner friendly. If you're just learning to color in your eyebrows, then I think this is perfect. And again, for $3.25, you cannot go wrong. Best thing is that now they offer a brow gel. This is brand new, and this is only $3.25. As you can see here, this one tames and shapes the brows. So if you have unruly brows, or if you really like that soap brow gel trend, that bushy brow, this is going to give you that. It is a clear brow gel, so it's not going to tint the brows, and for $3 you cannot go wrong. These two would pair so nicely together. If you are looking for something a little bit more long wearing, then I do recommend to go for a pomade, just because this is going to last on the brows a lot longer. And if you pair it with the brow gel, then I definitely think you are going to get the best wear. And for the price, seriously, you guys, you cannot beat that. For bronzer, you guys, this is the one that you need to get. LA Colors bronzer, $3.25. This is so good. It is creamy, it is pigmented, it blends like a dream, and it's buildable. I really like it. They do only offer 2 shades, I think, maybe just one, Beach Babe. But seriously, this bronzer is so amazing. And I forgot to tell you guys, if you watch my channel, you know that this is one of my absolute favorite setting powders, the LA Colors setting powder. It mattifies and sets the powder, or sets the concealer. So seriously, this is perfect for somebody who's beginning makeup, because it's like a no-brainer. You just tap this into the skin, set your concealer, set your entire face, and boom, you are done. It is a universal shade, so it's just really going to be amazing. I love this. I have about 3 backups because it's seriously that good. Trust me on this one, you need it. LA Colors has an amazing selection of eyeshadows depending on what you feel comfortable with. As you can see, they have colorful, they have more neutrals, and then they have a little bit of glitter and more shimmer palettes. So starting off here, if you're wanting to just really experiment and just try out different colors, I would suggest to get something like this from LA Colors. These are $2.15. These are 18 color eyeshadow palettes, and as you can see, you get mattes and you get shimmers. These are just going to kind of help you learn the basics of colors, where to place them, how to blend, and everything. Now, I wouldn't suggest to use these. I will show you some brushes that I have found that are actually really good. But if you're just wanting to dip your toes into some colorful eyeshadows, these are pretty great. If you're looking for something a little bit more bold, these are actually really amazing. These are their Instant Sparkle eyeshadow palettes, and these have crazy pigment. Like, do you guys see how rich these look? I wish I could swatch them for you, but these are $2.75, and these are amazing. If you're just wanting an extra little oomph, I highly suggest these. If you're wanting to get into eyeliners and everything else, they do have here LA Colors auto eyeliners and pencils. Honestly, LA Colors is going to be your best friend when starting off with makeup, especially if you're just trying to be budget friendly. They have black, brown, whites, and just the shade brown. So these are perfect to throw them into the waterline. Honestly, you can even use them for your brows if you wanted to, but this is just really going to level up any eyeshadow that you have. It's really going to bring the look together, and again, these are only $1. Also, lip liners for me are a must, but I think if you are just starting to build up your kit, I think maybe you would not want to do eyeliners. I personally can't live without eyeliners, and honestly, these from LA Colors are just amazing for $1, and they have a lot of different colors: natural, chocolate, and then they have deeper shades down here. And as you can see, if you are wanting to get into lipsticks, I always suggest to start with more of nude colors, unless you're just bold and brave. Then you can definitely go for some deeper colors. These are very rich, they're pigmented, they have aloe vera and vitamin E, so they're also going to be good for your lips, and they do have a really nice pigment to them, so I really like these. If you're wanting to go for a matte look, then I would suggest these. These are really creamy and pigmented. As you can see, they have bold pinks, but they also have deeper berry tone colors. These are perfect for the fall, as you can see. Like, look at how gorgeous that shade is. This one is called Torrid. They have Bewitched, which is a perfect deep plum. These are gorgeous, you guys. And if you want to stick to more neutrals, this one is gorgeous as well. Next up is a setting powder. So here we have a matte finishing setting spray, and this is a facial mist. Now the facial mist is going to mix everything, all the powders, blush, highlighter, everything together. So I do recommend for you to apply this if your skin is dry, because it is also hydrating, but then go in with something that's actually going to set the skin. This will just prolong the wear of your makeup, and this will almost give your skin that's dewy look that your skin usually lacks if you apply too many powders. So for $3.25, these are great to begin with. I love that the Dollar General offers an array of brushes, but I suggest to start with some sort of sponges. Again, if you're just starting off, these Modessa blending sponges are actually really good, and they're only $2.50. They're also really cute. They have this like marble look to them. They have a purple one and a pink one. You do want to get these sweats and wring them out, or if you want to save some money, you can get these latex-free sponges from the same brand for $4.35, and you're getting 3 of them. A brush like this would be perfect for your eyebrows or for eyeliner. A brush like this would be perfect for foundation application. And then something like this, I would suggest to use it for either blush, bronzer, or even highlights. This one would actually be perfect for highlight. It is a foundation brush, but I don't recommend these just because they can leave your foundation looking streaky. But these would be perfect, or this one would be perfect for a highlight, and this one is only $1.50. These are pretty nice for eyeshadow application. Not my favorite, but again, if you're just learning the basics, then I think you can't go wrong with that. These are going to be more for packing on shimmer shadows, and then as you can see here, you can get something a little more detailed, I guess, where you can get more brushes for $6.55. This is the Super Strong Hold Kiss Eyelash Adhesive in the shade Black. This one has such a good hold. As you can see, it says Super Strong Hold, and it is waterproof. So this is going to keep your lashes on all day, and I just really recommend it. It's my favorite lash glue ever. And as you can see, you have so many choices when it comes to lashes. If you want to keep it really simple, then you can go for some lashes from LA Colors. They're not dramatic, they're very lightweight, very natural. It just depends on the lash style that you like. It's your $2.75. Very, very, very natural if you want a pack of lashes. Now if you want something a little bit more bold, for $2.75, Kiss has these 25mm collection lashes. Now these are very, very, very long. So if you're beginning, you probably wouldn't like these, but who knows? You might. I would actually wear these, but these are very long.
And there you have it. This is the beginner friendly makeup starter kit from the Drugstore Dollar General Edition. If you guys like this type of content, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see something from Walmart or Target. We can explore the options. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.